My name is Attorney Bennett Cunningham, and I live and work here in Dallas. And this is my first video blog. And I wanted to start off as a bankruptcy attorney with going over one of the most fundamental and frequently asked questions that I get from any potential client. What do I do? I am broke. I have tens of thousands of dollars in credit card debt, and I just can't get out of it. I just can't seem to make ends meet. And I'm just getting drowned by the bills. I'm getting hounded by creditors. A lot of us have been there before. You know, years ago, I had $100,000 in credit card debt. I had over 24 credit cards, and I had to sell my house. I didn't avail myself of bankruptcy. I could have, but in my case, I had a lot of equity in my home. I had a lot of money invested. So that's the way I got out of it. But for a lot of people, they don't want to give up their home. And I understand that. And you shouldn't have to. So in a nutshell, bankruptcy is one way of kind of like, time out everybody, I need to reorganize my finances. And creditors have to follow the rule, that's it. It's a law. And once everything stops, at that point, you can kind of just get a better feeling about how you want to proceed. And at that point, when you can put a stop to everything, everything kind of comes into focus. If you sit down with a bankruptcy attorney, and I sit down with my clients before I take any money, sign anything, my first question is, what do you want to accomplish? What's your goal here? Is your goal to keep your house? Do you want to get rid of it? Do you want to keep your car? Do you want to get rid of it? What do you want for the future? Because in a lot of ways, that will direct how you should proceed in bankruptcy. You know, too often people may rush to a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. And Chapter 7 bankruptcy is basically wiping the slate clean, where most, if not all, of your debts go away. You also have Chapter 13, which results in a payment plan. Not everything goes away. You pay it over the course of a few years, and hopefully you'll get back on your feet. And that's for a different type of clientele in a different situation. So the first thing you have to ask yourself, again, is when you sit down with an attorney, or if you try to do it by yourself, is what do you want to accomplish? And once you get to that place, then you can make better decisions.